So I just want to do a quick unboxing of something I've been waiting for a while. It's the Smallrig RC60B COB LED video light. I've been waiting for this a while. Brand new product from Smallrig. Comes in this bag. I've been working on the lighting in here in this studio as I fix things up. This view you're seeing is not really the view that I have when I do my podcast. It's a lot closed in, but for me to do this, I had to zoom it out. So you're seeing a lot of equipment on my desk, etc. There's a lot of equipment here because I review a lot, right? I'm gonna zip this open so you can kind of see. This is the bag it comes in. Here's what comes inside. Now, before I go any further, this bag does have a strap, and so you can carry it. Pretty decent quality. Move some of these papers off my desk so that you can see clearly. These down here. So let's look at what comes inside. I'll take it out as you see it. Take it out the easy way, right? This is the reflector. It comes with a clamp that extends. Looks like a you can mount, I believe, there's your battery back here because this light can be run off a power pack, and that's my intention. So one end holds the light, the other end holds the power source. Comes with light pole adapter, right? Quarter 20 for the light, the top. Light pole adapter. Mount this on a light pole, which is what I'll be doing the next time you see it in my studio. It'll be up higher above. Some of these lights will be removed, and it will. I wanted actually to highlight my backdrop so I can reduce the lighting in front when I'm recording. You'll see the setup once I do the review, and you'll see it at the-gadgeteer.com, the full review. Comes with a tripod. Actually, is this a tripod or is this a hole? No, this is a handle. There's a handle, and it has a quarter 20 mount on it, and it has another mount at the bottom for you to add it to something else. So you could add this to a tripod, right? I'm feeding down in here, USB-C cable, long one. What do we have here? This is a USB-C cable, also a short one. That's everything that's in that compartment. I'm putting them back because I want to take pictures for the review as well, right? And here's the Holy Grail, the light. Now, this has been talked about a lot, and I'm so happy to get my hands on it. The Smallrig light has a cover here. This is the light in the front. It is got controls on the sides, controls for CCT frequency and intensity. So these are two adjustment knobs. Bottom here it's got eco button, input, and on off power button. If I turn it on, by the way, the light does come on the side. I'm sure you can see that. So it is on. Rotate the INT button, one turn to power on. Oh, there we go. I can't turn that towards you because it's that bright. But this will be amazing for my setup. I'm trying to keep that away from you while I figure out, okay, I can dim it. There you go, to this off. So there we go. All right. Controls here you have on the side. You have the mode button. So it shows 5600, 0% because it's off. Battery is it's pretty much charged. And the eco mode gives you a lot. It says 21.2 hours. This is the mode button. This is now at 3000, frequency 5. Okay, so you can control for the mode button. I got more information actually once I look through it and look through the manual, right? It's got the quarter 20 mount at the bottom. It's got this clip at the top. And that has to be for mounting the reflector, right? Actually, no, it's not for mounting the reflector. there's a clamp. Let me see here. Okay, so the clamp fits at the back. It has a slot here, as you can see. The clamp goes into. As I said, I have to get the manual. The manual is in the top here. Oh, it was in the top there. I guess with all my excitement, I dropped the manual. No, here it is. Bear with me. Ooh. So I need glasses for this, huh? Get glasses. Get glasses. I have reading glasses, but... So yes, this is the modifier release switch. This in the top here is when you put the modifier on the front. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. Okay. When you put the modifier in the front here and it clicks in, this modifier clicks in. Alright. Take off the lens cap. Clicks in. And I want to turn that away from you so you see it. Turn it down. Oh, it's got different, as you can see, it's got intensity levels. I shut it off. And to get it out, you have to use this lever to release it. So when I'll do the full testing, this is 60 watts. Now, it's the RC60B, Smallrig. My hand keeps touching the button, I'm sorry. The plan is, this is a mobile light, right? And you can go outside and you can use this on your shoots outside. But my plan is to use it, so I can figure out how to turn this off. It's at 0 now. My plan is to use this in my studio here. That backdrop behind me is a backdrop for my podcast. I can show you. I'll go up a little bit. You'll see it's the 247 Real Talk podcast. The zoom in is usually when I do my backdrop and do my podcast. So I'll just show you. So this is sort of what you see for the most part. And I have a light in front of me, a ring light around the PTZ camera that's really bright. I'd kind of like to use this to highlight that 247 Real Talk behind me and sort of be able to dim the light that's in front of me that, when I look into the camera lens, it has to be right in my face. So I will explore this, mount it, and have fun with it. And I'll be back in the review at the-gadgeteer.com. Coming soon, you'll be able to read all about it.